Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
He's ready!
That's mine.
Hello, mate.
It is yours!
This is familiar, isn't it?
Hello guys, we are Rebel Classics and today we are running this mid-2000s Japanese luxury sedan for our friend Marc, who originally wanted to buy something sensible like a Civic Type R.
Oh, Skoda Octavia DRS. Well, there's plenty of sensible cars to buy, but none of them will be as fun to build or rear-wheel drive.
And what's the point of buying a car that works?
Yeah.
Nick?
Yeah, I know a lot about that.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's golden. I like that.
This is our friend's 2004 Lexus IS200. Developed in the mid-90s by Lexus and Toyota engineers, it was set to compete with the likes of BMW 3 Series and Mercedes C-Class. As such, it is rear-wheel drive and sports a range of silky smooth inline 6-cylinder engines. This particular model features the 1GE FE 2-liter naturally aspirated straight 6 making about 150 horsepower, which isn't that impressive. However, this being a Toyota engine, it is easily possible to double that number with just a little boost and not touching the internals. Combine this with a platform that was developed by the same engineers that were responsible for the likes of AE86, Mark IV Supra, and later the Lexus LFA, the IS200 is a car that oozes tuning potential.
This time around, the main goal is to make it like the ultimate daily kind of a track car. So we're not gonna gut it all the way. We're not gonna do anything crazy to it. It's not gonna have a cage, but we're gonna have nice adjustable suspension, better wheels. It already has the exhaust, but it will need to be adjusted, obviously. It's giving me nightmares. So we need to upgrade the wheels to 18 inches just to have enough space for the brakes. And there's a few little bits that we're going to be doing. There's this shock shifter. Basically, everything that we're doing is just to make this car better to daily drive it.
First, we need to get rid of the old BBS wheels so we can start working on the brakes and suspension of our car.
So basically, like the perfect torque setting for those wheels are it's really good. That's way too much.
This one's talked out to a few more Gadugas, I reckon.
Did anyone count the Gadugas? Okay, that's a heavy boy.
Oh, Jesus. Do you need that?
No? Okay. How many Gadugas was that?
Oh, about 10, 12.
That was 50. So we started off by taking the wheels off, kind of important. And the first actual upgrade that we're going to do is, it's not even a big brake kit, it's just a massive brake kit, really. So we've got the Brembos and slightly bigger discs, just a little bit. To upgrade these old rusty 2-pot calipers.
These aren't just any discs. These are off the Lexus LFA.
Thank you for
Just saying.
noting that.
Yeah, I've skipped it because I need to make sure.
That's a case edit. Yeah, you can edit it to be in the middle.
With big power comes great brake kit. In this case, we are using a kit put together by our friend Marc from Sparky Stuffs. Up front, we are using 365mm discs and 4-pot Evo 9 calipers. At the back, we are installing slightly smaller 345mm discs, and the single-pot calipers are replaced by little 4-pot units from a Porsche Cayenne.
Let's see if it watches in any way. Hello. Yes! Nice and easy. Jeez, I love this car.
So is it always this easy for stuff to come off?
It is never this easy for stuff to come off. We are incredibly lucky with this particular car because it's just been serviced, and I'll just show you in a second. Look at that, that's literally new hardware. That was in the car. We haven't put that on. It's just been serviced, which is, it's new to me. Hey! Old brakes.
We run into a bit of a brick wall.
Yeah,
Oh.
I mean, as always, there's a one bolt that took like 3 minutes to take off, and well, it's taking longer. So soaking in WD-40, and because we're not strong enough to physically do it, Nick there is calling for reinforcements. Yeah, there he is. Just asking like the football team to just help us out, but we cannot just handle it. So.
I mean,
Yeah, that's it, really.
what's it? Should I try it?
Oh, there's both of them on that box. Oh, that one's undone. That one's done.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Yeah! You're stronger than Nick. You can rub it in his face.
Just rub it in.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. That's all I need. Well, it's out.
This is
Oh, that's the best comparison. Let's bring it over. Bring the camera over. Wash your hands. That's the stock rear caliper, and that's our new rear caliper. You can hardly tell the difference, really. It's like they're so similar.
Yeah, I mean, all I see is that this one's just like gray colored, and this is nice one and it says Porsche on it.
I don't
What's
know.
Porsche, by the way?
I don't know. It's just to make.
Do they make brakes?
They make small brakes that we use in the rear.
Okay.
I triggered so many people now.
With the old brakes out of the way, we divert our attention to the suspension, which we are replacing with a set of Teins adjustable coilovers. These will lower the car, giving it a more aggressive stance, and lower the center of gravity, making it a more stable platform. We went with this adjustable set to strike a good balance between on-road comfort and track day performance.
Alright, we're at the point where you're supposed to put the coilovers back together. The only issue is, as the top mounts are pretty much brand new, if you look on this side, well, there's a bit of surface rust on top of them. So I'll need to paint them quickly, rust inhibitor, paint, and they'll be good to go. So see you in a minute. I would say nice and easy, but no. Alright, while I'm waiting for the paint to dry, it's a good time to at least try to get the brake lights loose. The issue with that is they usually fight you back. You don't want to get loose, so keep your fingers crossed, I believe. Yeah, they won't budge. Right, that's attempt number 2 with adding more WD-40. Okay, yeah, that's it. So that one is loose. I'll loosen up the other side. That makes it easier. WD-40, good stuff.